Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme Narzo 50 to an Android device. You need to start by going into Play Store on both of them and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. After that, open it. When it's ready, from this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. Accept, confirm, continue, allow. After that, select Send on Realme and Receive on an Android. Now you need to click on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them. It would take a long time though to transfer all of mine, so I will go with only one photo. Maybe that one. Just send and click on Got It. Over here on an Android, just no thanks and close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon here, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive. And now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!